Well, hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. You know me, my daughter Isabel, which means it's time for
BoxyCharm!
And this is a heavy one.
Yeah.
I don't think it's Luxe.
I'm curious as to what it is.
Yeah, I don't think it's Luxe, but I will let you do the honors. It's already untaped. You just have to open it.
Oh.
I mean, unslit, okay? I get the card.
You get the card.
All right.
The first thing is a living proof full dry volume blast.
Okay, there it is. Make some room on your vanity for your new living proof full dry volume blast. Styling spray that creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, long-lasting results. Okay, so if you've seen a few of these unboxings or my dry shampoo review, which I'll link below, I am not a big living proof fan. I've tried a lot of their products. I know they have a huge cult following, but I ain't in that cult, so I'll give it a try. But alrighty, I wouldn't buy it just because I'm not a big fan of living proof.
Dominique Cosmetics.
All right, Lemonade Lip Gloss. Open that up. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with lightweight, non-sticky balm. All right, that looks really sheer. It says you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. MSRP $17. I've never heard of this before, so I probably wouldn't spend $17, and it is very sheer. So it will be a topper, because I don't have enough of those. All right, next.
We're gonna save that one.
We're gonna save that, okay?
Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow.
All right.
If I can open it.
This is an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. It's a 3-in-1 serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. 14% AHA, BHA, gentle flower acids. You'll get youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. MSRP $58. So I do use an AHA, BHA liquid in my morning routine from Paula's Choice. And I use Drunk Elephants, their 20% glycolic acid at night. So I don't think this is something that I would add to those routines, but I will keep in mind that this is going in my stash and use it to replace one of those when I run out. And I'm just looking here and it says use 2 to 3 times a week may build up to more frequent use. So if you got this and you don't have any either glycolic, salicylic, AHA, BHA, peels, if you're doing lactic acid, which is a much more gentle one, you may want to be careful on how you introduce that. Okay, next.
No Problem Prime Essence thingy.
All right, let your makeup stay in place with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence, infused with calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. MSRP $23. And I know we got a primer from this company this past winter, but I can't find it. So I don't know if I gave it to you.
I don't think I have it.
I don't think, because you don't wear foundation.
No, I don't.
I have no idea where that primer went. Maybe it went to the GW. Anyway, sure, I'm always up for something that will try to minimize pores. This must have been a Luxe box,
Yeah.
because this is really big. Anyway, okay.
Très esthétique.
Ooh, très bien.
Merci?
But what the heck is it?
No idea.
Oh, there it is. Good Vibes Mascara. Are you kidding me?
The fruitcake?
That is a huge no.
This is
Très.
related size comparison to a finger.
That's great. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Très Stick Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curl. Oh, lash curler too? What the fruitcake? As
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. There's a curler in there. Okay, this feels so gimmicky and huge. Maybe like you'd go, oh, well, I'm traveling, so I'll do this. No, I will keep my Surratt curler.
Yeah.
But I'll try the, you want to try the mascara? I'll try the, we'll see who tries the mascara. Okay. All right, moving right along.
Skin and Co. Skin and Co.
Skin and, it's Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Really? Truffle? It says that it's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, magical dew. Apparently, black winter truffle is supposed to be detoxifying. Rosemary, ginger, peppermint. Yeah.
That sounds like a good dinner.
It does. Put this on your pasta and it'll be yummy. So it's a hydrating mist. So maybe like you're trying to refresh your makeup. Don't know. All right, I'll try it.
Which one do you want to do next?
Well, the bag.
Okay. There is a mysterious bag.
Yes, PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer.
That's probably what was making the box so heavy.
Yes, it's a hair dryer. It's got a little, not a diffuser. This one is a nozzle that focuses the airflow, and I really can't come up with that name right now.
It's really tiny.
Oh, it's really teeny tiny.
It's an itty bitty hair dryer. You can use this for the kitten.
Yeah, it comes with a little diffuser and a focuser, and okay, it takes me a ton of time to dry. I have so much hair. Even my Dyson, it takes me 4 minutes to dry my hair with my Dyson.
4 hours?
Yeah, I don't. I'll try it and try to remember to report back.
It might work better for me with all the.
All right, now is there only? Oh, there's 2 more things. There we go. How about that one next? Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll.
Mums?
MSRP $35 on that. It says it's gentle, hydrating, and actually they have a typo. It says A and S instead of A and D. See? Right there. Anyway, okay, I'll add it to my cleansers. If you watched my skincare, hair, and body care purge, which I'll link below, you know I don't need this. I have enough cleansers to last me into the next millennia.
And then the last thing
Last
is the box.
but not least, Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palettes, packed with 4 shimmers, 4 mattes, everything you need to create endless natural looks, from the frosty cool pinks to rich bronze and brown tones. I'm really curious to see this. Oh, well, that's pretty. Oh.
I already showed it.
You did show it, okay. That's a really pretty basic palette, which neither one of us need.
I'd like it.
I know you'd like it, but you don't need it either. All right, well, maybe I'll give it a try and see if I put it in rotation. Again, pretty packaging. I really like these Tarte round palettes. They're easy to hold, but they are a little trickier to store. Anyway, this must have been a Luxe box.
Yeah.
I can't believe they didn't tell us it wasn't. Was or wasn't a Luxe box. Anyway, if you are a BoxyCharm subscriber and we got way more stuff than you did, could you comment below and let us know? Anyway, thank you so much for joining us. I post every Monday and Thursday. I want to give a big thank you to my subscribers. You are rocking my world. If you are one of the many, many people who view me but haven't subscribed yet, how much would it mean to me if they subscribed?
A lot. And also, if you're doing that, hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Thanks, everybody, and have a really fantastic day.